This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Look at all the duckies. This is my box that I use that gets the most attention for the egg layers. My mamas, and they do good in here. They hatch them out. So I've had them in the barn before, set in buckets like this, just going on top of it. So I decided to mimic the hole and put it in there. And look, they're starting to use it, and that's a lot better than this stuff down here that's not working at all. I think I got one egg down there. Come on, lag. But yeah, good Muscovy box. Probably make a good wood duck box or a mandarin duck box. But well, food for thought. We'll give it a run. Give you an update if she hatches anything out in there, which should. I mean, middle of the day and it's not even hot in there, so the hole's big enough and everything works out just right. They're all a little bit scared of me right now. I went to the other side. Okay, not all of them. The old boy's like, I rule this roost. All right, it's Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.